In a previous video, I guided you on how to download, install, and use the eDEX-UI, a full-screen cross-platform terminal emulator and system monitor that looks and feels like a sci-fi computer interface. And some of you asked on how to uninstall this terminal emulator from your Windows machine. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to uninstall it from your host Windows machine. So before that, make sure to hack the YouTube algorithm by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Now let's go and get rid of the eDEX-UI. First, you can go to your search bar, search for control panel. Once you're here, click on the programs and uninstall a program. Here you can see the programs that are already installed on your Windows machine, so you can just click on them and hit the uninstall button here. And now just press next, and now it will completely uninstall the eDEX-UI terminal emulator from your Windows machine. As you can see, the eDEX-UI is completely uninstalled, and we just need to click finish, and boom, you are done. The eDEX-UI terminal emulator is completely uninstalled from your PC. You can search it by here. You can check by searching here eDEX-UI. You can see you cannot find it because it is completely gone from your system. And that's how you uninstall the eDEX-UI from your Windows host machine. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and make sure to support me for free by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video. Happy hacking!